Hello students, welcome to my class, and today I start our science class. So students, let's start our class. Okay, so students, I told you that next class, in our next class I start the new chapter 2. Okay, here you can see the chapter 2, where plants live adaptations. Okay, where plant live adaptations. So first of all, we need to know that what is adaptation. Okay, plants grow in different places. They can be found in dry and sandy deserts, damp and wet plains, hilly areas, valleys, snow-covered high mountains, and even underwater. The low environment of a plant is known as its habitat. So what is habitat? The local environment of a plant is known as its habitat. A habitat can be as small as a patch of a garden or as big as a forest. Okay, so habitat either be a garden or either be a forest. Okay, plants often have to adapt or change in order to survive in their habitat. Adaptations are special features that help a plant survive in its habitat. Okay, so what is adaptation? Adaptation is the survival strength of anyone, or the plants or the animals. Okay, so it is the helps to special features create in the body of plants or animals for survive in its habitat. Plant habitats can be divided into two major groups: land or terrestrial habitats, and water or aquatic habitats. Land or terrestrial plants. Land habitat can be subdivided into many areas. Plants growing in each of these areas need to adjust to the kind of weather, amount of rainfall, type of soil, and other such factors found in that place. Plants in the plains. Plants growing in flat plains have more space to spread out. Usually they grow several branches and have flat leaves. These help water vapor to evaporate and keep the tree cool when the climate gets hot. Flat leaves also help to trap a lot of sunlight. So what is the plants in the plains? So which plants grow in the plains? They have own special features. Okay, such as the flat leaf. So flat leaf for what? For evaporate some excess water to keep the tree cool, and for trap a lot of sunlight, such as mango, banyan, neem, peepal, mulberry, poplar, and sesame are some trees that grow in plains. Some of these trees lose all their leaves at once in autumn. As spring approaches, new leaves start growing. So what happened in the summer? So all their leaves at once, in autumn, all lose all their leaves at the autumn. And what happened in spring? New leaves start growing. Plants in deserts. Hot deserts are sandy, dry, and very hot places. So there is scarcity of rainfall and lot of direct sunlight falls on the plant. So here we see the plants as a cactus. So the soil in desert is sandy and unable to hold much water. Strong dry winds and extreme temperatures make survival tough. However, all these difficulties cannot stop plants from growing in deserts. Some adaptation in desert plants. What are the adaptations of the of desert plant? Plants called succulents, okay, store water. Here you can see the cactus. So जो कांटे की तरह जो होती है, that is called a succulents. Store water. They store water in their stems or leaves. Long root systems in desert plants spread and go deep into the ground to absorb the level water. So their root system is very deep, because water in the desert have very deep. Some plants have very small seasonal leaves that only grow after it rains. The lack of leaves helps reduce water loss. Okay, the lack of leaves helps reduce water loss. Some plants are leafless and conduct photosynthesis in their green stem. Here you can see the desert plant. So here the spines are their leaf. Okay, leaf is adapted his own speciality in the spines. Some plants are leafless and conduct photosynthesis in their green stems. Leaves covered with hair provide shade for the plant and thus reduce water loss. Prickly spines discourage animals for eating plants for water. Waxy coating on stems and leaves help reduce water loss. Okay, so they have the waxy coating on stems for what? For reduce to water loss. Okay, next is plants in mountains. In the mountains, most plants are tall and straight. They are cone shaped. Most plants growing in hills and high mountains have needle like leaves. The needle shape prevents too much water loss and helps shed snow more easily than flat. Broad leaves, waxy coatings on the needles prevent evaporation and loss of water. The dark color of the needles allows more solar heat to be absorbed. Many trees have branches that droop downward to help shed excess snow to keep the branches from breaking. So in the mountain we can see the needle shaped plants. Now we can see the needle shaped plants. Why they are needle shaped? They are needle shaped to prevent the too much water loss and help the shed of snow more easily than flat. So they change their shape into the needle shape. Okay, so here the plants adaptations मतलब जो जहाँ पे होता है, जो पेड़ जहाँ पे होता है, जहाँ पे उगता है, तो उस वेदर को, उस हैबिटेट को, उसको अडाप्ट करने के लिए, वहाँ पे रहने के लिए उसको जो भी चेंज करना पड़ता है वो चेंज कर लेता है. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द अडेप्टेशंस. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स आज के लिए इतना ही. नेक्स्ट डे वी स्टार्ट सब प्लांट्स इन द हेवी रेनफॉल एरियाज. ओके, सो इतना तक आप लोग पढ़ो. Take care and goodbye and keep learning, students.